Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's scroll and find reset options and localize the mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. As you can see in this device, they are separated, and the whole operation looks the same in both. So simply tap on the specific option, tap on reset settings. We've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so tap on reset settings. If you've got, of course, the version with the LTE version. Here, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, tap on reset, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.